Hey everyone, welcome back. In this vlog, I'm going to explain what project milestones are and how you can create them in Clickup. Milestones are super useful for tracking major progress points in a project, like key deadlines or important deliverables. So, yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces, lists, and projects are visible. Now, let's quickly talk about what a milestone actually is. In ClickUp, a milestone is a special type of task that represents a major goal or checkpoint in your project. Unlike regular tasks, milestones don't focus on day-to-day work. They highlight important outcomes like project phases, launches, or approvals. To create a milestone, navigate to the space, folder, or list where your project tasks live. Click Add Task to create a new task, or open an existing task that represents a major goal. Inside the task, look for the task type or status option and change it to Milestone. Once you do that, the task instantly becomes a milestone. Next, give your milestone a clear name that explains the goal, like Design Approved or Project Launch. Set a due date because milestones work best when they're tied to a specific deadline. You can also assign owners, add descriptions, or attach files if needed, just like a normal task. Milestones become even more powerful when you view them in timeline or Gantt view. In these views, milestones stand out visually, making it easy to see key checkpoints across your project schedule. This helps you quickly understand where the project is heading and what's coming up next. Another helpful tip is linking regular tasks to milestones. You can group related tasks under a milestone to show what work needs to be completed before reaching that checkpoint. This keeps your team aligned and focused on the bigger picture. You can update or move milestones at any time if project priorities change. ClickUp automatically reflects those updates across all views so everyone stays on the same page. Yeah, no confusion. And that's it. Project milestones in ClickUp are a simple but powerful way to track progress, manage deadlines, and keep your projects moving forward. If this vlog helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp guides. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you